Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking in this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a better ping in Roblox. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try is to optimize your internet connection, because a poor internet connection is the most common reason for Roblox hyping issues. So we highly recommend you to optimize your internet connection, and to achieve that you can refer to these very useful tips below right here. So first, just restart your router or modem, and to do so you can unplug your router from the power and then wait for about 60 seconds and then replug it. Then you can also try to connect to a wired internet. So compared with most Wi-Fi connections, wired connections provide you with a fairly fast and stable internet speed. And you can also try to limit the number of active connections on your network. So if your internet is shared among multiple users, then you may not get enough bandwidth to run the game. And you also try switch to a VPN connection. So some users report that Roblox hyping issue can resolve by switching to a VPN. So here you may have to try, and then you can also contact your ISP or your internet service provider, and you can upgrade to an internet plan with more bandwidth, which can optimize the game experience. Also, you can improve the internet quality by upgrading associated hardware. And then next, what you can do is to close any unnecessary applications and services. So if there are too many apps and programs running in the background, then it could eat up your bandwidth, causing high ping in Roblox. So in this case, you need to close these bandwidth hogging programs in your task manager. So do that, just press Ctrl Shift Escape keys in your keyboard to open your task manager window. And in the pop-up window, which is this right here, just select the network tab to sort tasks by bandwidth consumption. And then after that, just right click on the bandwidth consuming task and select end task. And after that, you can repeat this step to close all unnecessary apps and then end services. And now you can just relaunch the client and check if the high ping is lowered in Roblox. And then what you can do next, if the prior step or solution didn't fix this issue, what you can do is to install any updates related to Roblox. So sometimes the Roblox hyping issue can occur when your system is running with outdated software and device drivers, so including graphics card driver, network adapter driver, and the application itself. So here's where I recommend you to install any updates related to Roblox. First, update your graphics card driver and network adapter drivers, and then update your Windows 10 to the latest build version or download all available updates manually. And if there are any available patches for the game, just simply install them. And then after that, you also need to update the game platform or the gaming platform that you are running Roblox on. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And so I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.